Hi. Welcome to a DCAD VectorSpace to 3dverse tutorial. This tutorial will guide you to export a PTF file from DCAD VectorSpace to 3dverse cloud site. Before you start, we strongly recommend making a backup copy of your DVS file. First, let's look at a perspective of our sample model.
Select the Sculpt mode from the Mode menu. Choose the Select All option from the Edit menu, and then proceed to convert all objects to polygons. Go to the File menu and select the command, Save As. To export DCAD models to the 3dverse environment, choose the PTF file format. Before saving, please review the status of the options and then click OK.
At this point, your model is ready for upload to the 3dverse site.
If not registered, please visit the 3dverse.com site, sign up, and then select New Project and provide a name for it.
It is time to upload the files you previously exported from DCAD VectorSpace.
Select the PTF file and its PNG material folder, then drag and drop them into the upload area.
Enjoy your model in the 3dverse cloud environment.
Drag the cursor to rotate the model. Note that the rotation will be around the click point of an object.
You can toggle the grid and edge lines on and off.
You can use the mouse wheel to move the camera forward or backward.
You can add other models to the project, whether they originate from DCAD VectorSpace or compatible formats from other applications. You can also add models from existing projects.
Double-click the project model you want to add. Select the model you want to move and use the axis arrows that appear to drag and reposition the object. Resize the object according to your criteria by using the numeric scale input. Reposition the object by dragging over the XZ movement plane icon.
The 3dverse cloud environment allows you to inspect and view your model from various angles. You can obtain section views using the section command.
Click the section icon to section the model. Drag the section arrow to adjust the section plane's height. You can define a vertical section plane and move it along the x-axis. You can also define another vertical section plane and move it along the z-axis.
Section planes are very effective tools for inspecting the model's interior. At times, you may need to fix or redesign your model and perform a version upgrade.
Select the model you want to upgrade and choose Upload New Version from the Model Options menu. Drag and drop the new version files into the drop area, and click the Upload File button to continue. Zoom in to inspect the area with changes.
Let's add some furniture from the DCAD VectorSpace model.
Display the furniture layer, select the furniture you want to add, and display only the selected objects. Select Save As from the File menu. Choose Save As in parametric file format. Ensure to save only visible objects.
System dialog boxes appear in the OS language.
Enter the file name and click the Save button to continue. Uncheck Relative Coordinates, check Export Render Options, convert materials to PNG, and select No Libraries. Display the visible layers to view the entire project plan.
Your furniture files are ready to upload. Navigate to your 3dverse model and position the camera where the furniture should appear.
Select the Upload New Model option from the Import Options menu. Drag and drop the furniture files into the drop area, and click the Upload File button to continue.
Observe how the furniture is placed at the exact position defined in the DCAD VectorSpace model.
Click the eye icon to toggle the display of different models on or off.
This tool helps the user compare different project versions and more.
Click the model's icon, select the model to check, and choose Version History from the Model Options menu.
Observe the listed model version history. You can set any of these as the current version to display and compare the differences.
Select the first version and set it as the current version.
Observe the wall problem in this version.
Let's go back to our latest version where the wall problem is fixed. After integrating the furniture into the living room, let's proceed to manage the environment. You can adjust the ambient and sun intensity, and reposition the sun to review the shadows.
Congratulations, you have completed this tutorial. We hope the information will be useful to you.